I'll clean up. I got a load of laundry started and now we need to clean this kitchen. How in the world does this happen in like 40 minutes? I woke up this morning and the kitchen was completely clean. Everything. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm looking around. It's like making school lunches, breakfast, I'll clean up, and then I will pack my son's lunch so that he can eat it in the car on the way home because he'll probably nap. So let's go. The dishwasher didn't get ran last night. Okay. Reload everything. Mushy and nasty, so I've been doing things a little bit different lately. It has been such a gorgeous fall so far. The weather outside is crisp in the morning, but by afternoon it is gorgeous out. We can go outside. The weather's been perfect. I wanted to hurry up and get this kitchen cleaned so that I could go outside and check on the garden. We have been getting so many tomatoes lately, which is great because what we've been doing is freezing them. We had always done that with the tomatoes from my dad's garden, and now he no longer has a garden. But when he did, he got so many tomatoes that we would then get a ton that we wouldn't know what to do with. So we were just freezing and not canning, but freezing them in bags. Our deep freeze is almost full of tomatoes at this point. We just cut them up into little pieces, put them in a bag, kind of squish all the air out, and there you have it. You have tomatoes for tomato sauces in the summer or in the winter, chili, soups, pasta sauces, anything, and the flavor is so much fresher. I had to laugh when I read a comment the other day that said if I had to push that hard to get my vacuum across my rug, I would be getting a new rug. And yes, it is true. I have to literally work out to get this vacuum across my rug. I have tried putting a couple different lamps right here in this corner of the bathroom, and they just don't work. It's such a small space that when you're trying to wash your hands, you're like hitting the lampshade. I think I would need a really tall lamp with a really tiny lampshade. Anyways, I went upstairs and got this from my daughter's room and was like, hey, what if I used this little cute lamp, plus it's a candle warmer, so it makes it smell good. As I was flipping through my magazine that I just got, my Magnolia magazine for the fall, I noticed the most beautiful pictures. Their colors this season are so gorgeous. The deep burgundies and the mustard yellows, golds. And I was like, what if I frame that? How gorgeous would this be framed? And I've been looking for some deep colored photos for next to the coffee pot and for my little black hutch. So these are perfect. This one, isn't that pretty? I got the frame at Target. It was $12 at Target, and I got it in the dark wood to add some different tones to my house because I have so many light toned woods. So isn't that pretty? If you have the Magnolia magazine, these photos are in the Magnolia magazine. They're gorgeous. So it's a very affordable way to add some decor to your walls. Number one and number two. Isn't this so pretty? Oh my gosh. I was like, wow, I got compliments from my daughter when she got home. She's like, how gorgeous, Mom, where'd you find those? And I'm like, I made them. So $12 frames, rip pages out of your magazines, and now you have a really beautiful picture. And I love the pink in this one. I have a little bit of pink in my house, just very little notes of pink in like the little duck, goose, whatever thing you want to call it up there on the wall. Super cute. I want to share with you this super simple miso soup that I've been eating like daily. It is so delicious and super cozy for fall. I have been adding in half of a tofu block for just extra protein. I got these ready-made miso soup packets at the grocery store. They came with little bits of tofu and seaweed in a packet, and then the miso paste. So you just add it in a pot of 8 ounces of boiling water, and then I've been adding tofu extra to that. And it's delicious. It's so simple. You could even add some noodles I've done before. It is delicious. I just saved a couple pieces of tofu from my soup for my son's lunch. I'm doing just tofu, and then I'll put a little bit of soy sauce in here for him. And then I'll cut up half of an avocado for him. And I'm all out of lime, but the kids love lime. Just squeeze some lime on top with some salt, and super simple. The avocados lately have been bad. Oh man, they don't look the greatest. Sucks because they're so expensive, and then when you open up a brown one, it's like, dang it. But anyways, I'll probably give him the whole one since that was brown. Yeah, it's fine.